So hello guys, it's Fubogen here, and today welcome to the third episode of Genius Talks. And today we are going to talk about one of the never-ending debates of football: who was the finest of English midfielders among Paul Scholes, Frank Lampard, and Steven Gerrard. So without hesitating a moment, let's start. The debate that has been the hot topic in English football for most of the 21st century. Who was better amongst the three legendary midfielders, Paul Scholes, Frank Lampard, or Steven Gerrard? So today we are going to compare who was the better among the three finest midfielders England has ever seen. So first of all, let's take a look at their career records. Lampard scored 211 goals in 648 appearances for Chelsea and had the best cross accuracy. Gerrard scored 185 goals in 708 appearances across 17 seasons and won 10 trophies. On the other hand, Paul Scholes scored 407 goals in 499 appearances and also had 55 assists in 11 titles to his name. The debate has been on for years now, and every time it ends without a conclusion. While Manchester United fans will argue that Paul Scholes is the greatest midfielder of this generation, something his peers have said time and time again, Liverpool fans will argue that Steven Gerrard was the best amongst the three, owing to his extraordinary display at the big nights like Istanbul and Cardiff. Now we all know what happened in the Miracle of Istanbul, how Steven Gerrard alone steered his team Liverpool to victory in that almost impossible to win encounter. Last but not the least, Frank Lampard will always be Chelsea fans' pick, courtesy magnificent goal scoring records. The three players will go down as the modern day greats of the game. And it is surprisingly shocking that the England football team couldn't win a major trophy with these legends on the pitch at the same time. Quite how England never managed to win an international tournament with those three in midfield is beggar belief, but all three of them still enjoyed highly successful careers with their clubs. What makes the debate so heated is that each player represents one of the country's biggest institutions: Scholes and Man United, Gerrard and Liverpool, Frank Lampard and Chelsea. So you can be sure that when the question is to cast spotlight, that the corresponding comment section will see with hundreds of rival fans trying to defend their own club legend. And although just like the Lionel Messi versus Cristiano Ronaldo debate, there will never be a definitive answer, that hasn't stopped supporters from finding a way to score a knockout blow. The availability of statistics and records to fans means that it's become easier than ever to find numbers that give either Scholes, Gerrard or Lampard a favourable standing in the argument. In fact, we think it's so entertaining that we have decided to help the cause by doing a FAQ run-through of the debate to get the conversation fired up against the lockdown. So without further ado, here are the 14 biggest questions in the Scholes versus Lampard versus Gerrard debate and the answers to end all answers to each of them. Enjoy. Certainly not 14 but the 5 biggest questions. Who provided the most Premier League assists? Frank Lampard. The most individual awards? Steven Gerrard. The most Ballon d'Or votes? Steven Gerrard. The most assists in a single Premier League season? Frank Lampard. The most goals for England? Frank Lampard. And the best goal per goal ratio? Frank Lampard. Most Premier League team of the season picks? Steven Gerrard. And the most assists for England? Paul Scholes. But what remains the standout stats is the fact that Scholes had the highest trophies among these three midfielders, considering the fact that he was in the Alex Ferguson era. Just like the Messi-Ronaldo debate, this debate also has no end, and according to my opinion, these three will go down the history as the finest midfielders the world has ever seen, and the world will remember them forever for their contributions in world football. So keep watching Fubogen for more content. Hit the like button, press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.